We always call ourselves Detroiters. I've had offices in other places, in New York and that sort of thing, so I'm no stranger to the big city feel, but it's nice to have this small city like Royal Oak as a cocoon to kind of come back to. I love working and living here. Right there! Hold it! I was shooting a big spread in Egypt for a French magazine. And I thought to myself, someday I'm going to start my own magazine so I have my own control.
Clear Magazine is a very forward-moving company and brand. Clear Magazine thrives on design and contemporary art and what's existent, what's out there today.
We did some crazy things. Being the first magazine to ever have magnetic paper in it. Then we did this first ever 100% recyclable, tree-free synthetic magazine. Adobe really helps a smaller company like mine because it gives us the tools, it levels the playing field. We can come up with something that's got a complete freedom to it, and so we can move at a quicker pace. I think that's the advantage of being an independent publisher.
Everybody has the ability to create anything from scratch. If I need to work on a certain concept, I can create multiple artboards in Illustrator. If I'm really going to try to go in and edit something, or I need to adjust something within the image, that's when I use Photoshop. And InDesign is just great. It's like the all-in-one. If you want to create a book, if you want to create a document, if you want to create anything.
Clear Magazine had a successful website behind its publication for a while. And the viewers that go to our site always expect a really great experience. With Dreamweaver, we can have all these device sizes on our screen, developing them at the same time, and the CSS code's not a problem because it converts what we need with every design change for each device. Someone that's on a particular device that may be surfing for our website or come across our website, they'll now view a perfect page on each different handheld device that we designed for.
There's a huge change happening right now. A lot of publications are making transitions to digital apps. Everybody's competing. It's a race to get out there.
If there's a new tablet out and readers of magazines and books are going to use that tablet, I want to be on it. I definitely want to be in the forefront of technology, design, and stimulation for a reader with anything that's coming around the corner.
There's this feature that we had, which was amazing, was a fashion spread that people could actually interact with.
We use Adobe software to kind of tap and have the reader interact and kind of change the girl from black and white to color. So you may think, well, that's a really cool effect, and it is, but you can actually tap on this article clothing and go to a website and actually buy it. The Adobe software has enabled us to use the same philosophies we had in print and bring it into the future in this digital realm and still hold the key of design behind it.
As a designer, not a developer, Adobe is the perfect assistant.
Adobe's involvement in the future of publications is now stronger than ever because of the incredible software that they've come up with for publishers like myself. They know how to create something for someone that's an artist.
It's amazing the exposure that you could reach now. As long as there's a connection, people can download our app.
We sold issues and copies in Korea. We sold issues and copies in Italy, issues and copies in China. You really didn't understand that or who was picking up the magazine before in print. And now that you do, it's definitely going to help us shape what we're going to do in the future with our content because we're speaking to the entire world now.